Well, we were needing a little bit of rain, and here we got it. According to my records, we had about 8/10 of an inch total since way back in late June, I guess. So it was getting pretty dry, and a little shower wasn't a bad thing, but I would prefer not to have been caught half a mile from home on an open tractor. Did get a little wet driving home, but no big deal. About a half an hour after I ended this video, the sun was out, and yeah, there you go. Anyway, stay tuned for how I got into this. Some of you regular watchers will recognize the old 730 Case tractor I'm running here. What I'm doing is pulling the 6-foot rotary mower behind, going around the edges of all the bushes, trying to cut back the grass that's gradually sneaking into the field. I got the dozer blade up front, pushing along to push any dead trees back into the bush out of the way, and it works pretty well. It's surprising how much you can gain this way. It's easily 6 feet I can gain around most of these bushes, some places even more. I didn't get to finish here today, obviously, as those approaching clouds out there did eventually move right in and rain on me. So anyway, this is how it's done. little bit too late coming home. That legs are soaked through. Oh yeah, it's still raining pretty good. Well, we needed a little rain. This would have been nice if I wasn't out on an open tractor when it came, but okay, that's driving the 730 in the rain.